said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. In today's video, I'm bringing you my first fall clean and decorate with me. I'm so excited decorating for fall because it is still pretty hot here in Las Vegas. And I want to just harness the cooler weather because I am so over the heat by now. I'm decorating our home with traditional fall colors such as burnt rusty orange, yellow, some green, and red. I usually stick with that every year because it gives me that cozy fall vibes instantly. I feel like that is my style when it comes to decorating. Cozy, traditional, and homey. I hope this video gives you tons of fall decorating ideas to use in your own home. Let's get started! I showed at the beginning how our home is currently decorated. I love seeing the before and after transformation every time. I feel like that's my favorite part in decorating. Let me know in the comments down below if you are the same. So from spring, we are now moving to fall. And yes, I said spring because I do not decorate for summer, although most of the decor that we have are everyday pieces that I feel like can go well with spring and summer and even all year round for some of the items. You will see some items that I'm just reusing or repurposing for this fall season, like vases and other displays. So I'm reusing this tray that I got from Ross, I believe last year. I'm just switching out what's inside here. It used to be the moss ball and like some of the wood balls for spring and summer, but now since it's fall, I'm going to use this like velvet pumpkin and some pine cones. It's all in one bag. I got these from Hobby Lobby. They are $9.99, but I got it for 50% off. I love this orange velvet pumpkin. I'm so obsessed. I want like a big one, seriously. I just really love it, and I think it looks so good in here. It just gave it a little pop of color, and on each side of this fireplace mantle, I just put this pumpkin that I got from Target Dollar Spot, and I really like this rusty burnt orange color. I love it so much. This is what I'm really loving for this year instead of like that bright orange. I did not change the sign that's in here. I actually put this up right after Christmas. This is from a spring collection from Hobby Lobby. And I feel like this is something that I can use all year round. So I'm probably not going to switch that up until Christmas.
Standing on the door, I'm on my way. A million things I guess that I should say.
I also added this fall garland that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I really like this. It just gave it a festive look to it, and I don't know, I'm obsessed with garland. I feel like I have too many garlands, or at least for Christmas I have so many garlands I can't stop buying them. I really like garland and want more.
But I am done. Yeah, I'm done. Letting go of all my heavy load. I waited for the moment to unfold. Nobody's gone.
If you are new here to my channel, hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. And thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Sel. I am a wife and a full-time working mama of one. I would really love it if you subscribe and join my YouTube family for more contents like this. Lots of cleaning motivations, tons of home organizations, and grocery hauls. I upload new video every Friday. And don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you will be notified every time my new video goes live. Like I said, this is only the first part of my fall decorating, so I have more coming your way. And if you are a returning friend and subscriber, you are awesome. Thank you so much for coming back and tuning in. I appreciate you. I picked up a few fall decor this year, and I will be combining them with our old fall decorations and use them together. I will link my fall decor haul video in the description box below if you want to check it out after watching this one and see what I got for this year.
I'm going down. Stand up and take it as I go.
I'm really loving all the floral that I got for this year. This pampas grass is from Hobby Lobby. I got this for 50% off, and I picked up 9 of them to fill up this vase that I picked up from Target last year, and I'm just reusing this and changing the floral. So this is a good way to save money. Just get the floral and use your old vase. I really like how this turned out, and I love all the color.
Setting up a goal to grow from heart. It's all about to master who we are. Nobody's gonna make me feel I'm off the chart. Doing alright, I'm doing okay. Stand up and take it as I go. Doing alright, I'm doing okay. Stronger than ever, faded, it's not a shade of mine. All in all, I'm doing fine. Doing alright, I'm doing okay.
I don't really like to put so much for this TV console. I don't want it to be cluttered in here because it gets in the way of the signal of the surround system and also with the TV. So I only put a little bit of decoration here, and I think it looks good, and I love everything that I put in here. And yeah, it looks a little bit minimal, I feel like. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I got this little house sign from Target Dollar Spot. I was gonna put it in here. I tried it, but I didn't really like the color of the gray truck and this orange here together. I feel like they're clashing with each other. Clashing, is that the right word? I'm not sure. I feel like that's the right word, but let me know in the comments down below. They're just, the color of each other is just like clashing, so I didn't really like it. So I just put back this home sign here, and I got this home sign from Target Dollar Spot a long time ago. And for the pop of orange color on the right side to balance the left, I just add this pumpkin that I picked up from the dollar store a long time ago.
You were just standing there with the wind in your golden hair. Didn't know your name, but I could feel it with every heartbeat. every time that our eyes would meet. Didn't know back then. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together. Am I living in a fantasy, or is this for real? Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall.
I love decorating for fall. It reminds me that holiday is just right around the corner, and that makes me happy. I don't usually go all out for fall. I feel like I decorate way more for Christmas, to be honest with you. I love fall, but I think I'm more of a Christmas person really. Let me know in the comments down below if you decorate more for fall or Christmas. I would really like to know. For this blanket ladder, I add this garland that I have for a long time now. I actually got this from dollar store, and I'm planning to change this next year, but for now this is what I have, so I'm just gonna work with it. I wasn't really sure if I like how this turned out. I left it anyway the way it is because I don't know, I'm just trying to make it work. I like it, but I don't love it, so I'm not sure if I'm really going to leave this here. But as of now, it is up, and I don't know, I'm just not really sure. I don't really like the orange garland and the green plant on the right side on the bottom. I'm just not sure about that. Please let me know in the comments down below, what do you think how this turned out? Give me your opinion, because I don't know, I'm not sure about this, but like I said, it is up right now, and I'm just trying to make it work with whatever I have because I don't want to spend any more money.
Someone like me, never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me, for someone like me, for someone like me, for someone like me. I don't know what you see in me. I'm not good for you, can't you see that I will drag you down? Here at the bottom.
For this side of the wall, we just have our family picture, and for touch of fall, I just want to add this little wreath that I DIY last year. It's from a dollar store. The flower and the wreath are from the dollar store. And then I'm going to add garland on the bottom just to have a little bit of like festiveness here, and I really like how this turned out. I am going to change this decoration here for like next year though, like maybe after Christmas. I do plan to take out all of this picture and then add a shelf here so I could like put something here, and I don't know, I like the idea of having shelf here, so let me know in the comments down below what you think. Should I put shelf here?
That you finally see I'm not good enough. And even in my wildest dreams, I didn't think that we could be together.
For all of the pillows on the couch, I'm not going to change every single one of them. There's a lot of pillow here. They actually came with the couch. We got this couch from Ashley's Home Furniture, and I'm just going to change some of the cover for this. I only have a few cover, so I'm just gonna work with what I have. I'm just gonna change out the blue ones because it doesn't really match with the other colors. So I have 2 of the white ones and then 2 of the orange one. I got these pillow covers from Amazon, and I will link them in the description box below if you want to check them out. I like the orange one. I like the pom-pom details on the side. It's so cute. Getting pillow covers to change up your pillow or change up the look of your couch is definitely cost effective and definitely a lot more affordable than getting the actual pillow, and a lot easy to store as well.
Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. And even in my wildest dreams, free. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Never thought that you could fall for someone like me. Never thought that you could fall for me. Someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me. For someone like me.
For the coffee table, I'm using this picture that I got from Target Dollar Spot last year, and then these bittersweet flowers that I got from the dollar store, I think last year as well. We don't really have that much fall decorations, that's why I did pick up a few this year. Still not a lot, guys. We have a big house, so we have so much areas to decorate. I know I don't have to decorate all of them, but decorating them makes me happy. Like I told you earlier, for me it's like transforming the space, and yeah, it does makes me happy. And I know it takes time, and that's what I'm doing. I just get little by little every year because yes, it takes time and it also takes money, so there's that.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow.
I'm pretty much done here in our family room. I did decorate this first because we are always here and I love seeing all these fall decorations, especially when I wake up in the morning and also before I go to bed. I love all the festive fall colors. For the lantern on the side of the TV console, I have greenery in there, but I did change that up with the pumpkin after the video because I realized I did not put anything in there.
Yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time? I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like I can't stop.
So this is it for this video, guys. I hope you find this inspirational and helpful. I hope you get some ideas to use in your own home. If you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It does help support my channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Comment down below and share this to a friend to inspire them as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification bell on so you wouldn't miss any of my future uploads. Thank you all so much for watching and spending time with me today. I will talk to you all again on my next video. Bye, friends.